Welcome to SuiteTrails. In this video, we will be exploring the breathtaking town of Perast in Montenegro, showcasing everything you need to know in our complete guide. Let's dive into the beauty and charm of this picturesque destination together. Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description. Number 1. A boat tour is a fun and exciting way to explore a new place. During a boat tour, guests are taken on a boat ride to see the sights and learn about the history and culture of the area. Tour will start from Kotor, and first place which we will visit panoramically is the old town Perast. Perast is a popular tourist destination and is known for its many historic buildings, including the Church of St. Nicholas and Perast Museum. The town was an important trading center in the past and has a rich history dating back to the Middle Ages. It is known for its Venetian-style architecture and its two small islands, St. George and Our Lady of the Rocks. We will stop at Lady of the Rocks for 20 minutes. The island is known for its beautiful church, the Church of Our Lady of the Rocks, which was built in the 15th century, and you can visit it for free. The island is also home to a museum that contains a collection of maritime artifacts and paintings. Here you can take some amazing photos and have unforgettable experience. Our third place which will be visited is submarine base from Yugoslavian wars, which was secretly built for Yugoslavian army by Yugoslavian President Josip Broz Tito. We will enter the base by boat, and skipper will share historical information and explanation about the base. Next location to be visited panoramically is Mamula Prison. It is a former maximum security prison similar to Alcatraz. It was built in the 19th century as a military base, and it was used as a prison during a Second World War by Italians. The prison is now abandoned and has gained a reputation as a haunted location. Some people have reported hearing strange noises and seeing ghostly apparitions within its walls. After Mamula Prison, our last attraction is a blue cave. It is a natural sea cave which is known for its unique blue light effect, which is created by sunlight reflecting off the white sandy bottom of the cave and through the crystal clear water. Visitors can only access the cave by boat, and it is a popular destination for tourists and boating enthusiasts. The cave is big, with a narrow entrance that opens up into a larger chamber. Inside, the water is a deep blue color, and the cave walls are smooth and shiny. The blue cave is a beautiful and awe-inspiring natural wonder. We will stop here for 30 minutes so you can take a swim, relax, and enjoy the magic of this place. A knowledgeable guide will provide information and explanations about the places the boat passes, giving visitors a deeper understanding and appreciation of the area. Whether you are a local or a visitor, a boat tour is a great way to spend a day out on the water. Number 2. Take a day trip to Montenegro and sail down the Adriatic coast. See Boka Kotorska Bay, explore Kotor, and wander through Perast. Come across UNESCO World Heritage Sites as you explore Montenegro. Benefit from pickup at your accommodation in Dubrovnik and drive to the border crossing with Montenegro to climb aboard a boat and cruise to Kotor. Admire the Venetian port and defensive city walls from the water. Get breathtaking views of the fjord and learn more about the cultural heritage of Boka Kotorska Bay. Enjoy free time to explore the monuments of the old town. Board the boat again and sail to the small town of Perast. Visit the artificial island of Our Lady of the Rocks on arrival, and get some free time for lunch in the beautiful town center. Stroll the streets to find Baroque palaces, Orthodox monuments, and other UNESCO World Heritage monuments at your own pace. Marvel at the stone defense towers that remain untouched, and follow in the footsteps of Russian czars and Venetian princes who sailed in Kotor Bay. Return to Perast by air-conditioned bus or minivan, and continue to Dubrovnik after the border crossing. Number 3. Explore Montenegro on a day trip from Dubrovnik. Enjoy free time in the picturesque towns of Perast and Kotor. Departing from Dubrovnik in the morning, enjoy the sights of the old town and its surroundings while driving through the beautiful Zupa Dubrovačka and the Konavlo region. After crossing the Montenegro border, continue along the picturesque Montenegro coast. During the drive through Boka Kotorska Bay, stop at the charming town of Perast. Have the option of visiting the island of Our Lady of the Rocks. During the drive, Your host will tell you all about Montenegro's most important cultural monuments, and about the country's history and legends. Upon arrival at Kotor, enjoy 3 hours of free time to explore on your own. The town of Kotor is famous for its nautical tradition, famous commercial fleet, and imposing city walls. After sightseeing, join your tour host at the meeting point for a relaxing drive back to Dubrovnik. Number 4. Embark on a captivating boat excursion to explore the renowned attractions of Boka Bay. Witness the awe-inspiring Our Lady of the Rocks, take a refreshing swim in the Blue Cave, and delve into the secret caves once concealing submarines. Begin your maritime journey with a visit to Our Lady of the Rocks, a church perched on an artificially crafted island. Uncover the tale of the two brothers who discovered a Madonna and Child painting, leading to the construction of the church on the very spot where the painting was found. Navigate through the picturesque Varaj Straits along the Herceg Novi Rivera and sail beyond the bay to catch sight of Mamula Island, a historic World War II-era prison. Trace the coastline of the Lustica Peninsula to reach the enchanting Blue Cave, where you can relish the opportunity to swim in its crystal-clear waters. On the return trip to Kotor, explore the caves once utilized for concealing submarines by the Army. This boat tour promises a blend of natural wonders, historical narratives, and the chance to experience the captivating aquatic beauty of Boka Bay. Number 5. Begin the tour at the city park near Kotor's port, 200 meters from Old Town's main gate. Meet your friendly skipper and get seated safely and comfortably for what's meant to be a captivating trip throughout the Bay of Kotor. Stop first in the middle of Boka Bay, which bears the name of the church that settled on it, Our Lady of the Rocks. Stay on the island for 20 minutes, where you have enough time to do a walk around the island, see the church, and take great pictures with a beautiful view of the entire bay. Travel to the submarine tunnels, mysterious tunnels that were used to hide submarines during the Second World War. Hear more about the history of the war and the tunnels themselves. Join inside a tunnel with James Bond music theme. Move on to Mamula Island, which was a prison during World War II. The story you will hear from the skipper will be remembered for the rest of your life. Continue the tour with a stop at Blue Cave, one of the most famous attractions in Montenegro. Go swimming, diving with provided equipment, or cliff jumping in the incredible blue crystal clear water. Cruise to a small picturesque town called Perast. Admire its Baroque architecture, historic palazzos, Catholic churches, and defensive towers. This UNESCO World Heritage Site will catapult your senses into the ancient times of this place. Explore the Old Town, which is packed with history, attractions, and indulgent experiences that visitors will cherish for many years to come. Number 6. Travel to the top sites in the Bay of Kotor on this speedboat cruise from Kotor. Enjoy access to a fridge on board and listen to music as you sail across the water at thrilling speeds. Stay connected with onboard Wi-Fi. Meet your guide at the tour agency and head to the speedboat in Kotor. Admire panoramic views of charming coastal towns like Perast, Tivat, Porto Montenegro, and Herceg Novi. Stop near the entrances to the abandoned submarine tunnels, which were built by the Yugoslav army. Continue to the island of Mamula, where you will see the fortress of Mamula, which was converted into a concentration camp by the Italians in World War II. Hear about the history of the island from your local skipper. Feel the wind in your hair on the way to the Blue Lagoon, where you can enjoy swimming and diving in the azure waters. Use the snorkeling mask to explore the underwater landscapes of the cave. Sail to the Our Lady of the Rocks Island, which was created by local fishermen in the 15th century. Have the chance to purchase a ticket to enter the Our Lady of the Rocks Church, which contains 68 famous paintings by Tripa Kokkalia, a famous 17th century Baroque artist from Perast. Return to your starting point in Kotor at the end of your cruise. Number 7. Discover the Bay of Kotor on an 8-hour cruise. Learn about the region's history and explore the natural landscapes. Visit a former prison, sail around the bay, and swim in crystalline waters. Begin your excursion in Kotor, Budva, or Tivat. From here, your first stop of the day will be Bajela, where you will get the chance to have a refreshing swim. Visit the church and museum on the island before heading to the Blue Cave. Along the way, pass the entire length of UNESCO-protected Kotor Bay, before finally reaching the open sea. At the very entrance of Boka Bay, See the former fortified prison and concentration camp, Mamula. Circulate the island by boat to observe the wild interlace of history and nature. Then sail out until you reach the Blue Cave. Take a break at Porto Montenegro for lunch and explore the picturesque town. Then, sail back to Kotor, with another swimming break at the deep waters of the bay. Change into dry clothes and visit the church at the island Our Lady of the Rock. During the return trip, enjoy views of majestic mountains, caves, beaches, and historical sites. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.